On politician Arvind Kejriwal, his chosen battleground is the Delhi election next year, and while on a national scale he's picked on corruption by VVIPs like Robert Vadra as an issue, in the capital he's whipping up a storm by talking of Bijli. The question is, will it work?
Arvind Kejriwal climbing up the political ladder, from an income tax officer to RTI activist to Amna's aide, Kejriwal's career turning a new leaf. His first exercise as a politician, breaking the law.
The government would perhaps say what you're doing is illegal.
The government is going to say that. What the government is doing is illegal. They are indulging in corruption in order to give profit to these companies. Sheila Dikshit has increased the electricity rates in Delhi, which is completely wrong.
Protesting against hike in electricity prices, Arvind's fight for power getting stronger by the day, and his attack on Delhi Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit more lethal. But the Delhi government so far is maintaining silence. They fear that families like this one in Delhi's urban village area of Kanpur are already won over by Kejriwal. Banaram's family has now become legendary in the area for being the object of the activist-turned-politicians demonstration. He has brought back lights and the cool breeze of coolers into their lives, even though they hadn't paid their overdue bill of 15,000 rupees.
चुनाव पे अगर वो खड़े हों तो उनकी पार्टी को ही वोट दोगे क्या?
हाँ जी।
हाँ, किस लिए?
हाँ, क्योंकि उन्होंने हमारी हेल्प की तो हम उनकी हेल्प करेंगे.
In fact, their entire lane of neighbours is threatening to vote against Sheila Dikshit's government.
हम तो शुरू से कांग्रेस को ही देते थे. अब नहीं देंगे कांग्रेस को. पिछली बार भी हम इसी बार भी वोट में जब भी हमने कांग्रेस को ही दिया. पर लेकिन हमारा कोई साथ ही नहीं दे रहा तो हम क्या करें? फिर हम उनको कब तक साथ देंगे?
जो हमारा साथ देगा हम उनका साथ देंगे.
No wonder then that the activists feel they have succeeded in cornering Sheila government. If she arrests Kejriwal, he will be a martyr. And if she reduces the hike, Kejriwal will get the credit. More so, a silent government helps them in continuing with an agitation, part of Arvind's larger election strategy for Delhi in 2013. Arvind Kejriwal says he will be releasing more evidence tomorrow on the Vadra case. He says he's received a lot of documents from the common people. And while the continuation of back and forth on the Vadra case will ensure the cameras are on, Arvind Kejriwal, eyeing Delhi elections, is also continuing his protest on the hike in the electricity prices. There was one such protest conducted by BJP and Arvind Kejriwal here, but Kejriwal hijacked Vijay Goyal's stage, a BJP leader, and spoke against the Congress and the BJP in the same tone. Even though the supporters at these protests are numbered, Kejriwal isn't thinking of allies. He did a tit for tat today with the BJP. BJP's Vijay Goyal started protesting outside the same electricity office as Arvind had announced. While Goyal hijacked Arvind's issue on the spot, Kejriwal hijacked Goyal's stage to launch an attack on the BJP.
BJP को इसके बारे में नहीं पता था कि ये ऑर्डर दबा दिया गया है. अगर उन्हें पता था तो पिछले 3 वर्षों में बीजेपी ने इस बात को संसद में और विधानसभा में क्यों नहीं उठाया, ये इस देश की जनता जानना चाहती है. केजरीवाल साहब अभी अपनी पार्टी बनाएंगे. हमारी पार्टी खड़ी हुई है जी. मैं एक ही बात जानता हूं, इस समय मेरे पास जो इशू है वो विजय आंदोलन मेरे पास इशू है.
While the bigger parties wish to but can't wish him away, Kejriwal assures more exposés. A unique election strategy Arvind hopes will yield results and is determined to go alone in the Delhi elections. But only time will tell whether it was his overconfidence or a clever calculation. With Sunitra Chaudhary in New Delhi, Anshul Vora, NDTV.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.